Okay, we're in the film cap again. Hopefully this thing will catch what I'm watching. Get the radio. And nope, that's not the one. That's the one. This little guy here. Again, it's very windy. We probably have, I don't know, 18 miles an hour wind. So, like the battery on this little puppy. And let's see if he flies, because it's very, very windy. I actually think that even the big heli today will have issues. Waiting for it to bind. Yep, bind it. Swash plate. Fine. Alright. Let's give it a shot. And there he goes. He has some vibrations. I don't know where they're actually coming from. Well, you can see this little puppy. He can fly. It doesn't matter how windy it is outside. It moves. As long as you can see it. Hope I can see it. Became a little dot in the horizon, and there it comes. Whoa. Could be quite difficult because it's so tiny and it's so windy. Let's do a little loop here. Yeah. The camera caught that, but my eyes did. Maybe closer, maybe the camera. Very, very windy. So now you can see, well, it's vibrating pretty much. I'm gonna have to land it and check it. Yep, vibrating pretty bad. So you can see the little size of this thing, and it can do pretty much anything a big heli can do. Pirouettes, inverted, everything. But I had something wrong mechanical with it because of the way it's shaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and land it. The little giant.